Hey, Tony Hill from Making Sense of Credit, back with you for the third installment of the uh, inquiries. This is another one on soft pull, and this is about bad credit cards with soft pulls only. Look, hey, before I dive in, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. And we know it'll be something they can use. Hey, welcome. Hey, I just want to dive into this real quick. It's a really quick video. Uh, Look, bad credit, soft pull credit cards. They uh, they don't check applicants' credit because there's no need to. You have to place a refundable security deposit, open an account, and you can't build up a balance bigger than the amount that you of that deposit. So there's no risk to the issuer. Here are the soft pull cards. First Progress Platinum, Master Secured Credit Card, $39 fee, 200 minimum deposit. Open Sky, $35 fee, 200 minimum deposit. Applied Bank, Secured Visa, Gold Preferred Credit Card, $48 fee, 200 minimum deposit. First Progress Platinum Prestige Master Secured Credit Card, $49 fee, 200. All four of these cards report to all three major credit bureaus on a monthly basis. So any of them can help you improve your credit score if you pay your bills on time every month. Their main requirements are that you have to be at least 18 years old with the U.S. mailing address, social security number, and enough money to place a deposit and make the monthly payment. Hey, look, these cards are what I call starter cards, bad credit cards. You know, they're a lower tier card. I I am reluctant to recommend any of them. They all pretty much have the same reviews, right in that 3.5, 3.2. So look, they're not stellar cards, but sometime I know we're in positions where we need to get started. So I would say read the fine print. If you get one of these cards, I want to you want to make sure that you don't be late. Some of them have exorbitant fees, that sort of thing. But the annual fees are actually, I was going to say, on secure cards are actually quite low for secure cards. So, but look, if this pertains to you, check them out. Maybe one of these cards may be on all you can get right now until your scores, get to the next level. But look, I hope this is something you can use maybe to get started. You're restarting your credit over, that sort of thing. You have no trade lines. But there's other ways. Watch some other videos, there might be a cheaper way. See if you can't get an authorized user. But these are like kind of the last resort if there's no other options. So look, hopefully this helped you, Tony, make you sense of credit. And to the next one, guys. Peace. Thanks for watching.